Today, I'll show you how to leave Google Meet. Even though this is a very simple action, it's important to know exactly what happens when you leave a call so you don't accidentally stay connected longer than you intend to or drop out too early. We'll walk through what you see on your screen, what the leave call button does, and a few quick tips so you always feel confident ending a meeting. Let's start with the moment you're ready to go. Maybe the meeting has wrapped up or you need to step away. On your Google Meet screen, look toward the bottom center. You'll see a row of controls, usually sitting over a slightly darker bar. In the middle of that bar, there's a red button with a phone or call icon that appears to be hanging up. That's your leave call button. When you're still in the meeting, this button is usually bright and easy to spot. Move your mouse or tap your screen if the controls have faded. They often hide after a few seconds of inactivity just to keep the video view clean. As soon as you move your cursor, touch the screen or tap the app, the controls will reappear and the red button should be clearly visible again. Once you've located the leave call button, simply click or tap it one time. On a computer, that means a regular left click with your mouse or trackpad. On a mobile device, just press it with your finger. The moment you do this, Google Meet begins the process of disconnecting you from the meeting. After you click or tap the button, you'll notice the call interface change. The video and audio from the meeting will stop, and in most cases, you'll be taken back to a summary screen or the previous page you were on before joining. On a computer, that might be a browser tab showing the meeting details or your calendar. On a phone or tablet, it might be the app's home screen or your list of recent calls. At this point, you have successfully exited the meeting. You are no longer visible or audible to anyone in the call. If you want to double check that you've truly left, confirm that you no longer see live video of other participants and that the red leave call button is no longer active. If you see an option to rejoin or join now, that's another clear sign that you have already left and would need to actively click again to go back into the meeting. If you happen to close the browser tab or the app instead of using the leave call button, in most situations that will also disconnect you. However, using the dedicated leave call button is the most reliable way to ensure you exit cleanly, especially if your device or connection is lagging. To recap the flow in simple terms, you locate the red leave call button on the control bar, click or tap it once, and then allow Google Meet to close out your session and return you to the previous screen. After that, you've fully exited the meeting. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to leave Google Meet quickly and confidently whenever your call is over.